Hello my friends, today we're going to look at how to lower the bridge on your guitar without having to take all of the strings off or replace new strings. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put on a capo at the 5th fret, and then I'm going to loosen the strings on the guitar way down. So when those are loosened, then what I'll be able to do is I'll be able to take each of those pegs out. Now I can do this because I've removed them before, so they're not in super duper tight, but you might need a tool to help pop those out because it can really be a pain and you have to be careful that you don't break them. So I've got those out. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take each of the strings out and I'm going to lay them in a group all to one side. There's our bridge. We're going to want to file that guy down. Now what I want to do is I'm going to take a red marker and I'm going to color the bottom of the bridge here, because I need a reference point. Whenever I start to file it down, when that red disappears, I'll know that I've taken a layer off. I don't want to file it down too much. So to do this, I can use a file, or in this case, I needed to take a little more material off, so I just took the belt sander out and ran it over that for a couple of seconds, and then that was good to go. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the bridge, place it back into the saddle of the guitar. Make sure it's nice and secure there. And then I'll take this E string, place that through the hole in the saddle. You should be able to feel it hook when you get it in there securely. Alright, now we'll continue that with the neck strings and so on and so forth. We'll work our way all the way down. Once that's done, you're going to want to take the pegs in the order that you took them out and you're going to want to place those back in. Make sure the groove in the peg is facing the string. That's very, very important. You want it facing the string and the bridge. That way that string can bite really good into that peg. I'll go through and repeat the steps for all 6. And then we are good to go. Now what I'll do is I'll tighten the strings back up. I'm not tuning them right now. What I want to do is I just want to tighten them up. And you'll get a good sense of that as you do it. When they're tightened back up, then I'll take my tuner, toss it on there, and get it tuned up. If you need help with that, I actually have a video on how to tune the guitar. Alright? So this is what it should look like. And that is much lower than what it was before. It was just simply too high. It's a lot easier to play. You can see how much lower the bridge is now. No buzzing, no anything like that. I thank you so much for watching. You guys have a great day. Talk to you later.